Good morning students. How are you? I hope you all are well and you all are using the fun tool. Yes students. In the previous video we have taken the revision of symmetry chapter. In that we have taken a revision of rotational symmetry and order of rotation. Yes students. Now in today's video we are going to take a revision of your next chapter, that is 3D visualization. Okay, in that we are taking the revision on nets. Now you can see the question is, Sham was given some nets by his teacher and was asked to identify the one that would take the shape of the given rectangular prism. Okay, can you help him identify the correct answer? Now we have to check out of these four options which is the correct net for the triangular prism, the rectangular prism. Okay, now the first, second, third and fourth, there are four options. Out of these four, which is the correct option for our rectangular prism? If we cut that, okay, if you open that and make a net of that, we will get the figure like this. That means this is a correct option for our rectangular prism. Okay students, let's take another example. Samarth, a graphic designer, was told by his manager to design the net for a cuboid box. Okay, with the following net designed by Samarth, take the required shape. He has made a net of cuboid box. With the help of this, he folded and he made the cuboid. We have to check this net is correct or not. That means our answer will be no and yes. Okay, we have to check the net of that is either he made that a cuboid or not. You can see how he folded. The nets are folded like this. Okay, yes, this is not a cuboid. This is a net of cube. Yes, it is a net of cube. It is not a net of cuboid. With the help of this, we can make a cube, not a cuboid. Understand? So answer will be no. Okay students, understand how to find is it a net or not? Okay, let's take another example. Rohit and Sham were given an assignment by their teacher to analyze the given nets and identify the net of a cuboid. Rohit identified both shapes A and B as the net of cuboid. Was he right? Okay. The Rohit and Sham were given an assignment by their teacher and the nets of some given. He has to find the net of cuboid. So they have identified the shape A and B. With the help of both, can we make a cuboid? If yes, so both answer will be yes. If we can't make an cuboid, that means our answer will be no. Okay, now with the help of that, see the first net. With the help of first net, we can make a cuboid, and with the help of second, we have to fold it. Okay, you can see in the video how the nets are folded. Now you can see with the help of both we can make a cuboid. That means Rohit was right. Both are the nets of cuboid. Understand what is the net and how to make a 3D object with the help of net. Net is 2D shape. With the help of 2D we can make a shape of 3D. Okay students, now let's take one more example. Now which of the given shape in the table is a net of dice? Now everyone know what is dice. We are playing with dice. Yes, and on that dice numbers are there, and we know that the opposite face, the number which indicate on opposite face, have the sum as 7. Okay, that means Opposite to 1 will be 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Opposite to 4, 3 is there. If you have not recognized that, then take a dice and check the addition of opposite faces are 7 or not. Okay, now we have to verify out of these 4 options which is the correct net for the dice. Okay, let's see. Now you can see if a net is like this, you can see opposite faces have adding to them is 7. Now these are the opposite faces. If we add, we will get 7, and opposite faces of these 4 plus 3 are 7. If we fold them, we get a dice. Okay, now with the help of this we have made a dice. So this figure is the correct net for dice. Now out of our option, which is that one? Yes, the second one. Yes, because 1, 3 and 6. Now you can see 1, 3, 6, and below 3 2 is there, 2, 4 and 5. Then see here 2, 4 and 5. Okay students, understand this? So this is our correct answer. Now let's take one more example. When the given net is folded into a cuboid. Now this is a net. When we fold it to form a cuboid, cuboid means in that the faces are rectangular. Yes, now the face A and B, you can see on the net, A is written, B is written. We have to check they are similar. Similar in the sense the rectangles are similar and they are opposite or not. If it is true, our answer is true. Okay, that means if they are opposite, write there true. If they are not opposite, then write there false. Make this net on the rough page and try to fold it. What you will get, you have to tell me. Okay, now let's see how it is folded. You can see this is a net of cuboid. Now you can see A and B are opposite faces and they are similar. Similar in the sense both rectangles are of the same size and A is opposite to B. That means our statement, this statement, what is the statement? The faces A and B are similar and they are opposite faces. This statement is true. Okay students, understand how to find the 3D object. Now this question is, dice are cubes with dots on each face. Okay, we have made a dice. We have done that activity. Yes students, observe the net of the given dice. 4, 5, 6 are the number of dots on 3 faces of the dice. Okay, now number 4, 5, 6 are there on the faces of a dice. Here is the net of A dice. Okay, A, B, C, 4, 5, 6 are there. The number of dots on face A will be. Now you have to make this, and which is opposite to 4, that number, which number it indicate? B is there. Okay, and opposite to B, opposite to C, opposite to A, which numbers are there? The number A indicate 1 or 6 or not 6, 1, 2, 3. Among these 3 we have to find. Okay, let's see the answer. Now you can see this is a net of dice, and if we open a dice we will get a figure like this. You can see both are similar. 6 is there, 5 is there, 4 is there, and above the 4 which number is there? 2. That means C indicate 2, B indicate 3 and A indicate 1. Okay, so our answer will be A indicate which face? 1. Okay, now B indicate which? B indicate 3 and C indicate, yes, 2. Okay, understand this? You can see here 1, 3, 2. The dice both are the nets of a dice. Okay, you have to do like this only. Let's see another one. Choose the correct net for the given cube. Now this is a given cube is there, J, M, then heart is there. Now we have to verify among these which is the correct net for our dice. Okay, let's see. Now if a net is like this, if we fold that, we will get the given cube. Okay, so therefore the given net for that will be which one? Yes, see, JMYT. JMYT. Which one is that? Sorry, JWYTS, and this is a heart shape. That means second is the correct one. Okay, understand? With the help of that net, we can find the 3D object of any figure. Now, three views of the cube and its net are shown in the diagram. This is the cube. Only one cube is there, but there are three views. That means if you see from front, you can see this circle. Then if on the right side of circle, you can see heart shape is there, and on the heart, smiley face is there. Okay, these are the views of only one cube. Now this is a net is given. Now we have to match the faces. Okay, that means match the four faces A, B, C, D of the cube with the appropriate images. Now A indicate which face, B indicate which face, C indicate which face. We have to verify. Okay, at home you can make this also. Now let's take net of a dice. See, the dice is look like this. If we open that dice, we will get a net of similar to our this. So A indicate this which figure, B indicate heart shape, C indicate circle, and D indicate the smiley face. Okay, this is the correct match the following with four faces. Okay, you have to imagine that how they are. Okay students, understand the nets and the visualization of net, how to find the net of a 3D object. At home you have to make a dice with the help of that net. You can make this also and draw that figures or draw these images on your dice, and you have to take a photo of that camera scanner and send to me. That means upload and drive. That is assignment for you. Okay students, whatever is notes I have given, according to that you have to write in your notebook, and assignments are given already. We have taken the activities. Yes students, that activity you have to write in activity book and upload on your drive in assignment section. Okay students, I will check that. I have not received many of the students notes. I want the notes, complete notes. Okay, I am giving you 1 week. Within 1 week you have to complete your notes, so that I will check. When you upload on drive, mail me that you have uploaded. I will check that and I will correct it, and again I will upload the corrected notes. With the help of that you can recognize which is your, either you have made some mistake or not. Okay students, in the next video we are going to take a next topic. Till then, open the Funtut and try as many questions as you can solve.